Okay, y'all, so when you first walk in, this is the front door. You know, I put already some of my decorations. I put up actually mostly all my stuff on the walls. This is my little I Love New York thing. I don't know where I got this from, but it's dope. You know, Park Ave, Bad Claim, New York. Then I got it like a box that needs to go out to the trash. It's my purse. This is a radio that I keep for the dogs to play music, and stuff like that. This is another box. Like I said, I still got stuff in my car. So this is some cleaning products that I took out. Let's close that up. No one needs to see that. That's my wallet with some information. No one needs to see this, which is not mine. But yeah, this is my couch. Like I said, I got stuff everywhere, y'all. This the couch. Over here, I got some dog pads, a box, and what is this? I forgot. Oh, my book bag and stuff like that for my school books and stuff. This is my other couch. I have my bra over there. I have to move it. That's my treatment. I took my socks off. That's why it's there. This is my breathing treatment thing I got set up over there. Got some whoppers. This is the actual treatment thing that I got from the hospital. I decided to use theirs because this is like legit. The one that I had was old because the breathing machine is old. I haven't really needed it because I haven't been sick lately. But this is a shot of the living room. The living room, dining, kitchen areas all flush together. But yeah, if you see, that's my other couch. Got all my medicine and stuff there. Here's my TV. I've been binge watching 13 Reasons Why today. I don't know why my TV is blue. Ever since I made some adjustments to the color on the TV, it's blue on my camera now, all the time. I don't know why it's like that, but it's blue. Anyways, 13 Reasons Why. Got my Xbox down there. You know, I got so many controllers, y'all. So many. Got some games, a bunch of Xbox 360 games. Some there. I got a bunch of PlayStation 2 games in the back. Got the PlayStation 2. Here's my doggies. Here's Blue. He about to come out because he knows he keep hearing his name. His name is Blue. Same color as the TV, so he thinks I'm talking to him. Anyways, I got my kitchen table. Like I said, it looked crazy. It's my doggy blanket. I was cleaning the floors. This stuff right here, Swiffer Heavy Duty Pet, is amazing. I got the this stuff as well, the dry stuff as well, because this guy right here, he sheds like a MF. And then over here I got my computer and setup, you know, got my little setup. Like I said, look crazy and stuff. And then I got my dogs. Rose, this is my other dog, Chloe. I got her covered up right now because I have the windows open, and when I have the windows open and she sees somebody walk by, she barks. And then when she barks, her bark is okay. I don't care when she barks. It's him. When he barks, it's loud. Her cage is open too. She just chooses to stay in there. I don't know why. I didn't even lock it. It's open. She just goes in there when she wants to. Anyways, this is my little section here of knickknacks stuff. This is my deep freezer. Another box of Whoppers. You know, gotta have the food, man. This is a MTV Cribs edition. Welcome to my cribs. This the washer dryer. I hate this thing. This stackable, I hate it. It's so small. Y'all don't even understand. This is my kitchen. My kitchens is where I do my thing. I don't know if you know, but kitchens is my thing. Like, I love kitchens, a nice kitchen. And this kitchen is really nice. I don't know if you noticed the floors, they're wood. Like a gray wood. So is the walls, they're like a off gray. Yeah, that's my trash. Here's my sink. Got a couple dishes. This is my dog's ball. I had to wash it. It should be clean and dry now. Excuse me, y'all. This is her favorite. Look at that, look at that. Look at that, look at that. She smelled it. That accidentally got rolled into some cleaning products, and I had to soak it and clean it off to make sure she wasn't licking no cleaning products. Because she likes to lick that ball. So I try to clean it as often as possible. But here's my kitchen. You can see the little, you know, way into the kitchen. You know, got my coffee pot. Sorry if it's a little messy right here. I was taking medication, cleaning my other tools and stuff like that. Like I said, I've been sick. But my kitchen is clean. I cleaned it last night for the most part. This is the top I need to put up. But I got my little, you know, got little stuff in the cabinets. Nothing crazy. Don't really got much. Got my crock pot. Got my George Foreman. Got some cups. Got my chopper. I was gonna make some hot dogs. I made some bacon this morning. I haven't cleaned this off yet. But that's my little flat plate. Then I got my stove. And what I think is really cool, guys, is that the stove, this plate right here, it says expandable element. So I can turn it on this way. If you look in the middle, only the middle gets red if I turn it this way. But if I turn it this way, only on this eye, the whole thing gets red. Which I thought that was kind of cool. I've never had a stove like this before. So I thought that was cool. And this stove, the eye, it like pulsates. So when the flame's on, it kind of pulsates to keep at that temperature, I guess. But yeah, this is my fridge. Freezer, ain't nothing in there. You know, ain't nothing. I mean, some stuff in there, nothing major. But yeah, I got my little, I like these lights too. These lights up here is really dope. And I got the microwave right here. I put my little thing up there, it's like measurements and stuff. My little bottle thing. And I don't know if you see my little placeholders over there. But I like to do little stuff like that. Put things up on the walls. Family pics. So this is the bedroom. This is where the magic happens. You feel me? Nah, but it's kind of junky in here, so I'm not gonna. So here's my sink. Here's my mirror. I don't really want you to look at me. I look crazy. I have this little thing right here with some more stuff. And here's my bathtub. This bathtub, let me tell you, is small. AF. You see how small that is? It's small. I got a bunch of loofahs. It don't even make any sense. And then more stuff. And then, like I said, the bedroom, I started putting something up. You know, nothing crazy. And my little nightstand. I gotta clean up the bedroom still. And then the closet. It's crazy in here, man. I got so many clothes. You don't even understand how many clothes I have. I got suitcases on the side that got clothes in it still that I just don't wear. But anyways, guys, oh, let me show you one last thing. Let me show you it's messy right there. I got like a patio with the door. Patio. Like my purple sheets, you know, purple all day, gang gang. Turn these lights on. Yeah, well, that concludes my video. Hopefully you can hear this. Hopefully I don't sound too bad on the script. Now they out and playing because I'm moving around. But yeah, I'm out. Peace.